So how does the character's gender and race contribute to her identity?
I think that her race contributes to identity, especially in the character White Tigers when she imagines herself as Fa Mulan. I mean, she does like the traditional Chinese thing, like she has to save her village, and like she imagines herself as like a heroine of sorts, which obviously contradicts her real life as a Chinese woman in America, in which I think that on page 49, she's talking to her mom and she says like you can't eat straight A's, and her mom like says to her like there's no profit in raising girls. Like her Chinese race contributes to the fact that in Chinese culture, women just are very underappreciated.
Yeah, I think
They're
that.
not.
I feel like she really looks up to Mulan because like Mulan she's respected by her family because she acts like a man, and like all Kingston wants is like her family's respect and like to think that she's worthy, so she really wants to take on like that same role.
Yeah.
I think since she is a Chinese woman, they already have this sort of want for her. So she's not. They don't offer as many opportunities as they would to a guy. Like in the first chapter when they're talking about her aunt, the guy who impregnated the aunt, he didn't pay for it.
Yeah.
He actually like led the attack.
Yeah.
So even though what he also did was wrong because he knew that she was married, he still didn't get punished for it.
Exactly, and I think that like her supporting her aunt is a kind of like silent rebellion of sorts, like kind of what Mulan did in the second chapter. It's like she doesn't feel like everyone else is. Like she doesn't hate her aunt for what she did because she feels like she's being discriminated against just because she's a woman. Although the guy really had no punishment from this event.
I don't think she really likes being Chinese because she doesn't like having to take on this like woman's role in which she has to be quiet and she's not respected and she's like seen as different and outcasted, and I don't really think she likes being Chinese.